Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your VGA driver, Nvidia VGA drivers, how to update it very easily. In your system tray icon, select Nvidia icon, right click, go to the Nvidia GeForce Experience. So in this home screen you can see what are the games you have. You can see the driver tab, go to the driver tab, so then you can see there's a driver version available to download. So you can see the release date and the version number, all the information will be you can see in here. So you can select the driver types, so you can see game ready driver or studio driver. So mostly game ready driver is best, good for the gamers. So studio drivers is for the creative applications. So you can click download, so you can see it will show you the file size and it will start downloading like this. So you don't need to do anything, just download it, press download, just keep it totally almost done. Okay, now you can see there's an option to go with the installation. So there's two options. We have express installation and custom installation. So you can clean up your old driver versions and do it fresh installation. You can go to the custom installation, otherwise you can go to the express installation. So I'm going to show you custom installation, so then you can see it's going to install now. So you can see the previous version, so then you can see the new version number and you can see all the version numbers and the information of here. So you can select perform clean installation on this custom installation. So in clean installation, restore all the Nvidia settings to back to normal. You means it will become default. So remove all the profiles you have created and all the settings you have set up. It will be clear out and it will be default. So I just show you what is the difference in this case. So but I don't need to clean up my profiles and all the settings, and so now I'm going to the express installation option. So it won't ask me anything, it will install the driver. Okay, now you can see installation is done. So you can see the result, so you can see the summary of the installation. So you can click close. Okay, now you can see now you have the latest GeForce game ready driver. So you can see the release date and the version number. So you are already updated your VGA driver, so you can play your newly games without any graphic issues, any bugs or whatever. Okay guys, I hope this video will help you to in something. So see you on another video. Okay guys, thank you.